Hello everyone, today you are with Krista and ProWebCoders.com. Today I will show you how to create Visualforce email templates with dynamic image insertion. We will start from creating our classic email templates. So we go in Setup. And email, classic email templates. We will create a new Visualforce. I will put it in another folder, available for use. I put it right away. Test, let's say it's invoice. Again, I recommend you to put the name, which is really informative, where you can find it later on really fast. So I would put company name and invoice, or vice versa, invoice and a company name. Like this, when you open a folder, you will know exactly where it is. And a quick description, like for example, it's related to this division, or I don't know what. So subject, we will just put it test at the moment, but later on we will change it. Recipient type, in my case it's a contact, and related to, I want to put it for a lead. Save. And now I will edit it. I have prepared already certain email template. And here you will see the subject. So the subject, you already can put it here. Recipient type is the contact, related to, well, I put it for opportunity instead of a lead. Okay, obviously if it's invoice, I think it's already an opportunity. And here it doesn't matter because no one sees it. And basically here is our logo snippet. Your logo will be here, and this part you will have to change based on the field that you will create in opportunity. In an opportunity, you will create a new field called logo, and after we will insert it here. This part we don't need at the moment. Well, actually I will keep it. I'll keep it like this. Right, so we will insert our code. Company name, you see it's an alt message. And this image, it will be changing based on the company that we are choosing. So the next step will be to create static resource. And we are coming here again, we are coming to setup. We are choosing static. Takes a bit of time. Static resources. And we will create a new resource, which will be, for example, a test, invoice logo, and our new invoice logo, and the marked dynamic. Choose file. Well, basically me, I will put the logo. Well, let's put my logo, why not? And it will be public. Set it up for public because otherwise no one will see it in their emails. Save. Well, it's a bit too big, but no problem. So now you have to click this view file. And here you don't see it, but on the top you have a URL to this file. You will have to copy it. And now we will go and create a new field in opportunity with the name logo, like I described to you already. Opportunity. No, it's in Object Manager, sorry. Object Manager, opportunity and fields and relations. And now we will create new. We will set up a pick list. Next. And here will be logo test. I call everything test like this. After I can delete it if I don't need it. And you mark here. And why we set up a pick list? Basically because you will create many static resources. You will create as many static resources as you have for your organization. You will create many logos, and after you will have to copy each link from your of them and put it inside of this. From each line you will restart and to put a new link, a new link, a new link, and etc. Now we put next and next and save. Because it's logo test, we have to make a little correction inside of our email template. We called it logo test. Save. Well, basically the installation for your email template is ready. Now if you send a test email, your logo will appear here because we already have it. But how to make it dynamic, please watch in another video and follow the link that I put under this video for a new article, and I will show how to make it dynamic. Okay, you're with Krista and proverbcoders.com. I wish you enjoyed, I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep in touch. Bye bye.